have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. And if you are new here, I would love to have you a part of my channel. Make sure you subscribe down below and hit that bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Today's video is very exciting, and I just want to say thank you to Insert Name Here for partnering with me on today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 products that they sent me, and I'm going to be trying them out, doing like a first impression review of both of these products. If you guys are not familiar with Insert Name Here, they sell high quality hair products, and they're basically like a one-stop shop solution to your needs, whether it's wigs, whether it's hair extensions. It's also really great if you are like a thin hair gal. So they definitely have everything you need. They have hot tools, wigs, like I said, clip-ins, ponytails, literally everything that you need is all in one place. They also have a wide variety of color matches, so if you guys ever need help matching like to your color, if you have like dyed hair like I do, but mine is just has been way too long overdue for a touch-up, but regardless of the hair color you have, they can actually help you color match. You can just shoot them a DM. So I'll have their Instagram linked, I'll have their website linked, and you can also use code LOVEBRIANNA for money off your order. So if you ever need help color matching, just shoot them a DM and they will assist you in matching whatever color, whether it's a ponytail, wig, all that good stuff. So I actually chose the U-Clip 22 inch, and this is in the color Ash Blonde. It just comes in this cute little pouch bag, which will open up in a second. So this is the first item I got. Packaging is so cute with their logo on the front, and I got their Insert Waves Here tool, which I'm very excited about. I've always wanted a waver like this, and they have it. So if you've been wanting one of these, make sure you go shop. So excited. So let's open up the U-Clip first. Besides the hair, it comes with this little cute scrunchie. So it actually came in a net, but I opened up the net just so it wouldn't take me that long to cut it off. This is the hair. This is what Ash Blonde looks like. So the reason I picked this color is because my roots, as you can tell, are very dark, but then the bottom of my hair is like different tones because I did balayage, I did low lights, whatever, and so it's just a mixture. I felt like this would blend right in. So this is what it looks like, 22 inches, and it just looks so good. Also, it feels really good. It feels like real hair. It feels like normal hair. First impression, it feels really nice. And then this is what the back looks like. So we're going to be putting this on before I wave my hair. So there is 8 clips, so you just pop it open and then clip it, and we'll section off my hair in a second after I show you guys the waver. My hair has gotten really long, as you can see here. Also, I'll pop up a before picture of the back of my hair so you guys get to see the full gist. Well, you guys are going to see me get ready, but you're going to be able to see the full gist of my before and after. So this also adds like volume and length. So if you're looking for length, great. If you're looking for volume, great as well. So you can get both, and I'm really excited. Now for this waver, I'm really excited. Comes in this box, super nice. I also took the plastic off just so it would save me some time for this video. So you open it up and you have your tool. Also the color, yes, it's a yes for me. Love the pinks. So it comes with also a full glove, not just like the 3 little fingers, a full on mitt, which is always really nice. And then obviously just like directions so you guys know how to use it. And yes, so I'm gonna actually plug her in. I also have a mirror next to me and a mirror on my little tray that I have in front of me, but I'm also gonna just be using the viewfinder because it's just easier for me. But this is what the waver looks like. You have the clamp right here, and it's the 3 wand waver, super in right now. So what you're going to want to do is section off the crown of your head. So I usually, to help me do that, I just go by my eyebrows and just drag along the top. And I feel like now with spring and summer, like here, this is going to be like the new go-to look because it's very in right now and very trendy. Just like a soft beachy wave look. So super cute, and I feel like you can style this so many different ways. If you guys want a video of me styling the waves in different ways, leave a comment down below. As you can see, I just sectioned it and I pulled my hair up. So even though my roots are dark, since this is going underneath, like right in the middle, it'll blend really nicely, especially since I'm gonna be waving it. It'll just blend in all the different tones together. So that was my thought process when choosing that color. So I just parted my hair like this, and as you can see here, it literally just fits your head perfectly. So all you have to do is unclip the clip parts like this. So you just pop it out for each of them, so it's easier for you to tuck it and clip it down to stay in place. So then you just clip each part in. I know it might look super blonde, especially with my roots, but don't worry, because when I take it down it'll blend. But this is what it looks like with just lengthwise. You can see, like, it looks just like a good blowout with the flick at the end, but it really does match my hair length. It's a little bit longer. It's a 22-inch, like I said. So now I'm just going to take my hair down just to show you guys. I'm going to also part it again when I blow it out, but when I take my hair down, blend right in. Got the hairs in, it just looks so nice. You see how it just, like, I can't even tell which. It just blends with the tones. Now let's get to waving. So I just turned it on. Once you plug it in, it doesn't turn on by itself. You have to click the little power button here, and you can increase the temperature or decrease depending on what you want. Make sure you put in some sort of heat protectant spray, what have you, and I'm gonna get started. My glove, I'm gonna also part my hair yet again, but this time I'm gonna move just half and half. So clamp, hold it for a couple seconds, and then move down. Okay, so I got the first little wave going.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me.
Super light beachy waves. Yes, ma'am.
Next to me, all that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be.
So you see how this one is going to get that bump? You're going to want to just move it directly under the hump to get the next one. First section is now done.
All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden.
One section is fully done. It looks so good.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, what do you good, so take.
Okay. So you can comb it through. Depending on how tight or loose you wanted your curls, you can comb them through, but I'm just going to use my fingers and just play around with my hair. This is so cute. You can even add some spray if you want more volume up top. I cannot wait to continue using this tool, especially now in the spring and summer. It's so perfect for just like a quick little wave look. It doesn't take that long, that much effort at all, and I really like it. So my review is I love it and I'm obsessed with it, and I definitely think it's worth it if you guys have been wanting a hot tool like a waver, or just wanted clip-ins, a ponytail to try out. Definitely recommend, and I'll leave all the links like I said down below. Don't forget to use my code. Thank you again, insert name here, for partnering with me on today's video. Like I said, if you guys want to see how I style this look in different ways, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one.